Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue back tap not working, double tap or triple tap not working issue. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, select accessibility, tap on touch, go down. Here we can see back tap. Right now back tap is off. Tap on back tap. Here you can see double tap and triple tap. First let me fix double tap issue. Tap on double tap. Here you can see system. Under system we can see list of options. From this list we need to select one option. Let me select flashlight. Done. After this we can test double tap. Take one finger, then on back side of this phone just double tap like this. So that way we can test double tap. This way we can fix double tap not working issue. Let me fix triple tap. Tap on triple tap. Here under system you can see list of options. From this list we need to select one option, then test it. So this way we can fix back tap not working, double tap or triple tap not working issue. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please take it.